Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding, back at you with another exciting video. Everybody knows that I love my Harbor Freight Vulcan Outlaw 195 welder generator, but I also have a prime weld MIG machine, a TIG machine, a flux core machine, and their plasma cutter. But my favorite little grab and go, I'm gonna go repair a fence or a handrail, and I just need something quick, get it done, get out of there. My favorite little machine is this Harbor Freight Titanium 125 flux core welder. Well, I have so much fun with this little machine, I want you to have some fun too. That's why I'm giving another one away. That's right, September 1st, we're going to have a random drawing from all my subscribers from this video, and you can win this Harbor Freight brand new, still in the box, flux core 125 welding machine. I even bought the 1-year warranty, and I'm going to put the receipt inside the box, so when you open it up, make sure you get it out and put that in a safe spot in case something happens. All you got to do is take that receipt with you to your local Harbor Freight. They'll get you right. But all you got to do, this is so simple. On this video, make sure you like it and make sure you subscribe. Leave a little comment down below that says subscribed and liked. September 1st, that's like about a month and 2 or 3 days. I'm going to give this thing away, and I'm going to use a random picker that goes through all of the comments on this video, and it's going to pick one, and I'm going to look at that comment of that person, and it has to say that you subscribed and liked, and I'm going to check to make sure that you really did subscribe. But this can be yours absolutely free. All you got to do is contact me, or I'm going to try to contact you, and I will ship this to your house, and you'll get it in like a couple of days later. The brand new Titanium 125 flux core welder with a 1-year warranty. So make sure you follow the rules, and make sure that you hit that little bell icon so you're notified. September 1st, we're going to draw this, draw a winner for this, and I'm going to mail it to you, and you can start using this fabulous machine. So good luck, and I hope you win it.